Whoa, check that out. Woo! Foundation double crochet. Hi, I'm Carrie, and this is Carrie's Crochet Corner. Come and check out how to make a foundation double crochet. It will make all your work flat and not curl. So join me under the camera. So glad you could join me under the camera. Oh, there's the like and subscribe button. If you're new and you haven't subscribed, please do so you can get caught up on all my videos. Okay, so I have a couple samples here. One is the foundation double crochet and one is just a chain and then I double crocheted. So let's take a peek at this. So you can see the double crochet with a foundation chain is nice and even. Your first row when you chain and you start the double crochet can look a little bit smaller than the other ones. Eventually it might even out. If you want your work to look, flat and not curl like it's curling under here, try this foundation chain. It's a couple more steps, but it makes your work look so nice. So let me show you how to do that. To get going with this foundation double crochet, you're going to start with chaining 3. Then we're going to yarn over like we would for a double crochet. We're going to go in the first loop, or chain that we made, or the third chain from the hook. Go through here, pull up a loop. Now we're going to yarn over, go through 1 loop. That makes the chain on the bottom. Okay, now here we go with the double crochet. Now you're going to yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2. Now, if you're a beginner, you want to use a marker and mark where you're going to put your next stitch in. I'm just marking right there. So if we turn it, our work, right, this is what we have so far. We turn it, we're going to look for this bar here. We've got 2 bars right here. We want to go into, see how we have 2 bars here? We want to go put our hook right here and start our next foundation chain. So I'm going to yarn over because it's a double, go into that stitch, yarn over, okay, go through 1 loop. That's the bottom chain. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Okay. All right, so to do your second foundation chain, we're going to yarn over, go to that loop here, yarn over, go through 1, that's our chain, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. So you can keep moving this marker here, and let me just put that down for a minute. So you're going to look for not these 2 bars, so you have these 2 bars here right underneath your hook, and then you're going to look for the next 2 bars right here. We're going to put the hook, after we yarn over, underneath this first one on the left. So I yarn over, and I'm going to go put my hook to the left, pull up a loop. Now I have 3. Okay, yarn over, go through 1. That's your chain. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Now you've completed that double crochet. Again, look for, here's the 2 bars at the top, right underneath it. All right, you can mark that. Like if you're a beginner, just keep marking it until you're confident, right? Now I'm going to yarn over, because it is a double, we need to yarn over. Go underneath that loop, pull up a loop. It looks like you have 3. yarn over, go through 1 loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Right. Again, we're going to yarn over. You can even turn it. You can turn it if that's better. Yarn over, go through 1. I'm going to do a few more here for the camera. Let's do 1 more. Go through 1, 2, 2. All right. So let's say I'm done with my row and I did the amount I need. I'm going to chain 3 and turn my work. Now, it depends on the pattern. Sometimes patterns want you to go right underneath that loop, and it depends on what you're doing. But for this swatch, I'm just going to go right here. So to do a double, a regular double, is you yarn over, go underneath the 2 loops, pull up a loop, you have 3. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Okay, you always yarn over for a double crochet. It makes a taller stitch. Good for shawls, scarves. They can be good for hats, blankets. Do well with blankets. Leave me a comment below. What do you like about crocheting? And I'd be interested in hearing. I just love crocheting when I'm on the couch. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Greatly appreciate it. Now, I'm going to go at the top of that first one here. Oops. And then you always chain 3. So it makes your work nice and flat. So happy crocheting. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep crocheting.